Hello students, let us see a C program to find permutation and combination of given numbers. Permutation is arrangement and the order must be in sequence here. Combination is NCR and here order is not a matter. Now see the formula here. NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial and NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let's take this value. Let n equal to 5 and r equal to 2. NCR equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. This is 5 minus 2. Okay, that is 3 factorial. After simplifying, we will be getting 10. Similarly, NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. After substituting, we will be getting 20. So, NCR equal to 10 and NPR equal to 20. Now, let's see the program. Here a function program is, we are taking a function program. The function declaration is here. We are using 3 functions. And the main program is this. 2 integer variable, 2 long variable, and we are getting the value for n and r. We are scanning this, and NCR, this is a local variable, equal to NCR1, this is the function, and we are calling the function. So the control will come here. Here 2 argument is being passed, one for n and one for r. Long result, in result the value will be stored. We are using the formula factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r. This is the formula, and we are using this formula here, and the answer is returned to here, this place, and it is being printed here. Similarly, when NPR1 is called, this control will pass here. Again 2 variables, the result is stored in this long result, this variable, that is we are using the formula factorial n by factorial n minus r, NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, and the answer is being returned here and it is printed here. Okay, the third function is factorial. When the program counter sees this line, it is calling this function factorial. Here we are just calculating the factorial of all the values. So a single argument is enough. Internal variable, that is local variable I, long result equal to 1. We are using a for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, result equal to result into I. Returning the result here. So the value will be placed here. Okay. Similarly, again this factorial function is called here. Similarly, here also 2 times the factorial function is called. Okay. So altogether 1 main program and 3 functions, 3 sub functions, and all these 3 sub functions we are declaring all these 3 sub functions above. Okay. So this calling function will call this called function, and this call function perform a definite task. After finishing its task, the control returns to the main program. Okay, that's all. Thank you.